you go, Keon. There you go. Move it, baby. Move it. This is a brand new event for our Technology Student Association. Our first event is being held this Friday at Eastern Kentucky University. It's our regional Technology Student Association conference. And the competition is a PVC kayak with shrink wrap and duct tape. That's the only materials that they can use. I'm just ecstatic with these boys. They've worked hard. They've worked on their own. They've been before school, after school, on their own time, working on these things. And it's really fun to see them conceive something, build it, and then just go out and have fun with it.
Just racing, I guess.
No, not just racing. We're winning a race.
Oh, winning a race. Yeah.
This is getting judged on how it looks, and then we've documented our process, so that'll be judged against all the other scores at TSA up in EKU on Friday. And then we got to win a race for a good bit of points as well.
So we started with just designs on a piece of paper, and then we got the materials like PVC and we started working on the designs. And then once it all started coming together, we got more ideas and added them on. Well, it was a little more challenging than I thought it was going to be, just balancing-wise. You got to work a little bit more with your legs to balance it. And I think it'll be easier once we get our two-sided paddle, which they had. We have one which didn't bring it, and it was a little harder to do it just one-sided. But in Richmond, at EKU, we're going to do basically the same thing we did here at the Y and race these with everybody around in the region, and we're going to get best design and other awards like that.
This is the main contender here. He's and Hewitt, they're the best.
What was the biggest challenge of making this?
Definitely bending the pipe.
Yeah,
And making it like symmetrical.
So PVC, duct tape, shrink wrap tape, and PVC glue, zip ties, and I think that's it.
About how much duct tape do y'all use?
About 6 rolls.